What's up, everybody? Bo is here today. You are probably wondering what am I doing with these aluminum, right? Look at these. These are the 1.5 inch. Remember some videos ago I showed you how where these aluminum come from. These are from BellBays, and sent me for some example, and just want to show you the quality side of it. Each aluminum is shipped wrapped like this. It was shipped like that to me, so that's the first quality right there. Again, these are from BellBays, and in the meantime, in a couple of days I'm going to bring in another van for rework, not rework, for build. And while I have this spot open, building a little project using the aluminum from BellBays, just for example of what you can do with these aluminum. So it's endless uses with these aluminums. I'm going to explain to you at the end of video what am I building. So for now, I'm going to show you and close up detail how I put these together, what are the hardwares, how they look like, stuff. So just bear with me. Let's take a look. These are the outer angle brackets. Okay, so let's say if you want to build a roof rack for a solar panel for the van and stuff, you can use this, the same size as this, and then get the joint, the angle bracket that is the same size as this, and then you can join them together to make one strong rack. But in this case, I'm not building the roof rack. Okay, I will show you what it is, but that's how it is. This is the a slide through T-nut. You can have them single or a double like this, that slide in through the channel, and then you screw it from the top like this in here. So each underneath here has this. There are the joining brackets besides these here. Here's some example. This one is a 90 degrees angle. Okay, it looks like that. And also there's a outer bracket, looks like this. And let's see, for example, let's say you want to join angle like this, right? You can use this kind, okay, with this insert in here, and then you just screw it from the top. Okay, that, or if you cannot have anything blocking the channel here, you can use this kind, from joining from the outside like so. Okay, and that's what I'm going to use, because I don't want anything to be in here, because something is gonna go in here, so I can use this. This project has no name. So my friend has a window tinting shop for cars and whatever, window tinting. And in the shop, you need something to put like glass and then the window film, so he can squeeze, you know, cut and squeeze the water or the film on the window for tinting. And this is what's that for. It's gonna be like glass that fit into this channel here, a big piece of glass here, so he can put the film on it, cut it, you know, scrape, squeeze, whatever he needs. And this is what it is for. It's gonna have like a screen. It's gonna be a rectangle. This other piece gonna go on the top. Okay, and it can be adjustable, whatever to fit the glass is. And it has wheels. Okay, it's gonna be all has 4-wheel with the lock, so he can move it around the shop. And that is what it's for. So it serves, you know, different purposes. This one, and also this size is perfect for if you are building a bed frame, a van bed frame. This is perfect size for it. It's light, but it is very strong. Okay, this is the light kind. There's a thicker kind and this light kind. This is the light kind, and it's very light, but man, this thing is strong. So that's what I'm building, and I'm gonna have him, you know, test out, give him a try. If it works for him, who knows, maybe he has another friend that has shop or whatever it needs it for, and they might need more. So